Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning friend or if you are new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a very short and quick tutorial on these Easter egg nails. These nails I think would be especially cute for younger aged people, but even if you're older like I am and you just want to have a little bit of fun with your nails for this coming Easter, I think this would be very good. And here's Coco. Of course, she wanted to make an appearance in my intro, so hi Coco. But yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I got these Easter egg nails, then please keep on watching. So to begin, I'm taking the Hansen Hard as Nail Strengthener base coat, and you always want to use a base coat first because it just protects your nails from the other nail polishes, and I just feel that it just makes, this one specifically I've been using for years, and I really like how it just makes my nails look and feel really shiny, and it does strengthen them, I think. And I do apply one layer on the top, and I do, since my nails are longer, I do apply a coat on the bottom of my nail, as you can see here. Next, I'm going in with an orange nail polish, and this I'm going to be going in and painting my pinky finger. I am going to be doing a French style tip to all of my nails. If that's not your style, you can definitely just paint your whole nail, but I do like, it's my preference to do French tips, so that's what I'm going to be doing for all my nails. Next, I'm going in with a baby pastel blue, and this is from the Hansen Extreme Nails line, and this is in the shade Babe Blue. And you're going to see that I use a lot of this line from the Hansen because they're pastels. Like, these ones are just really pretty, so I really like them. This one is Lacey Lilac, and I'm painting my middle finger with that shade. And now going in with a light pastel green. This one is in the shade Mint Sorbet or Mint Sorbet. I don't know, I think tomato. Correct me if I'm wrong. And finally, for my thumb, my all-time favorite color, very light baby pink. And this one is in Tickled Pink, and this is for my thumbnail. Did I say that already? My thumbnail, yeah, well, that one. I went in with 2 layers of nail polish for both of my hands, and here they are. Let's move on to the designs now. I'm going to be using the same color for each nail, but a darker shade. So for my orange one, I'm taking this one from Essie, and it's in the shade In a Flash Sale. And I'm also going to be going in with this dotting tool. I'm going to be taking the smaller dot side for my pinky, since my pinky nail is like really small. And I'm going to be creating 4 little dots along the edge of my French tip design. Again, if you're painting your whole nail for this, you decide where you want to put your dots. This is just an idea. And then for the dark blue, I'm taking another Essie nail polish, and this is in the shade Bell Bottom Blues. And I'm going to be taking a manicure stick for this. You can take a toothpick. For this, I'm going to be creating a zigzag. And at first, I didn't know what I was doing. I wanted to initially put it in the middle of the blue, but then it came out kind of like crooked, and then I didn't like how it was looking. So then I just decided to go all the way up and all the way down. Can you see? It's kind of lopsided, but it'll work. And for my dark purple, I'm using this from Klean Color, and it is Purple Velvet. I'm going to be using the dotting tool again, but this time the bigger dot side of this, and I'm going to be first making 3 dots on the edge of that French tip design. Then I'm going to be going in the middle of that, adding 2, and then another 3 on top. And you can see here, it's kind of like, they're not aligned, but they're like, I don't know what you call that, but I'm the worst at explaining, I'm so sorry. But anyways, moving on, let's move on to the darker green. I'm using another one from Klean Color. This is the shade Green Grass. Taking that manicure stick again, I'm going to be creating 2 lines with that green shade. And finally, the pink, we have here a very beautiful hot pink color. It is from Orly, and this is in the shade Beach Cruiser. And taking the larger dot side first, I'm going to be creating large dots with this, just in random places. And then after that, in all the empty space that I have around those larger dots, I'm taking the smaller dot side and then just making tiny dots, polka dots all around that. here you have both hands done. All you have left to do is add a top coat to the top to protect your design, and you are done. Voila! Happy Easter, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this serves some kind of inspiration for you if you want to have a little bit of fun and recreate this look. And of course, make it your own if you don't like one design, or if you want to do whatever with it. I mean, you're free to do whatever you want, right? But I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!